gonna have a little bit of Route 66 on it too. Abandoned motel on the left. That looks like Mclean city limits right here. Route 66, check out the building to the right. The cars and motorcycles on the building to the right. There's a museum somewhere right here on Route 66. The Devil's Rope Museum. I think that's the barbed wire museum, or all the barbed wire. The church to the right. Hot Rod Haven. Check out the building to the left. See part of the town to the right. Old building on the right. Like a gas station or whatever it is on the corner with the curved front on it. That's pretty neat. There's the old gas station, Phillips 66 gas station on the right or left. That caught me off guard. I'd like to stop and got the GoPro out on that, but I'm starting to get a line of traffic behind me. What that is in the middle right there. Could be an old car lot. Cactus Inn Motel. Red River Steakhouse. That was it. Old buildings to the right over there.
Attention, a new important message has arrived.
2/10 of a mile. Right there's I-40. Y'all enjoyed Mclean, Texas. It was 63 degrees outside, but a little breeze blowing.